If you follow the guidelines in the previous chapter, then after a few days you should have at least a handful of followers. Now it's time to crank things up a notch. Let's go over some methods for building your following even more. First, follow relevant members of your market and you'll often get followed in return. Next, try to interact in real time throughout the day. This will become apparent to Twitter users and you'll appear as alert, responsive, and engaged. Pay close attention to trending hashtags and topics so you can leverage their momentum. Ensure you mention or cite people in tweets using the @ Many will return the favor. What you tweet matters too. In addition to textual tweets or mentions of interesting articles, be sure to include some catchy media. Use relevant, attractive images. Include videos from time to time. Make it a point to proactively encourage engagement with questions and polls. This provokes responses and gives would-be followers the impression that you're there to listen, not just to talk. And yes, those cheesy quote images work too. All of these practices will increase engagement, sharing, and so on. In addition to these methods, it's important to follow some basic Twitter etiquette and maintain the following that you have. Although scheduling tools like Warlord's Social Suite are great for the majority of your activity, you should also make time for a bit of responsive, manual, real-time interaction during the week. People can tell when you're using your Twitter account as an automated advertising machine, and they'll unfollow you in a heartbeat. On a related note, don't ever purchase followers. You'll see others doing it, and you'll likely be tempted. But most of these followers will be bots, and you will destroy your brand and your reputation. Bottom line, if you're going to expand your following on Twitter, you need to come across as genuine and engaged. So that's it for this video. In the next video, we'll discuss how to achieve a return on investment for all this time and work you've put into your Twitter marketing.